Okay, I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna roll out some fondant, and this was just pre-made the other day, and so I saved some so I could actually show you how to make the cakes with fondant that I did a cocoa painting with. It's good to have some powdered sugar, so I'm gonna coat my surface, my rolling surface, with some powdered sugar. I don't think I need this much, so I'm going to just take this out and put it over here a little bit. And I'm just going to knead it for a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to roll it out. Now I heard that, and I'm going to try it, actually have a recipe for it. I don't like the taste of fondant. I never have. In fact, in the past, if I made a cake that I want to do a cocoa painting on, I would do it on marzipan. Marzipan is made out of crushed almonds. It has a better flavor. I am not a fan of, like I said, fondant. But there are recipes out there that I heard, like I was reviewing, that are marshmallow fondant, and it tastes, I guess, a lot better than this. And that's one reason. Like I said, fondant's real pretty, looks beautiful on a wedding cake, you know, and when it's fully covered. Well, that's one of the reasons I've come up with the method of only covering the top, because it gives the person a choice to remove it if they would like. So I'm just going to roll this out to about, I guess it's an 1/8 inch as far as the thickness of it. I'm going to take I need something to cut this out. So I found this in my pantry, and I'm going to use this bowl to actually make the cutout for the size of the top of the cake, and it easily does that. And I'm going to just take that away. I can actually use this for another cutout in the future. And if you are putting fondant away again, like I will, and since I just rolled it out, you can add a little bit of water, just a little bit. It would just be a sprinkle on your hand if it's getting dried out. Also, for rolling out fondant, this worked beautifully with confectioner sugar, but also at times when it's sticky, you might have to add a little bit of confectioner sugar and cornstarch together in order to not have it stick at the bottom. I'm gonna get my cake plate, and I guess I could just go like this and put it here, and later on you could either wipe off extra powdered sugar from it, and then I'm gonna set it out for about 1 to 2 days, because you do want it to have a little skin on it for you to do your tracing. And so there you go.